friends! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we're going to learn how to add. That means putting things together to find out how many we have in total. Are you ready? Let's go! Vroom, vroom. Here comes a toy car. We have one car. And here comes one more. Let's count them all. 1, 2. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. One toy car plus one toy car equals 2 toy cars. Here's a yummy lollipop. 1. And here's another 2 lollipops. 1, 2. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. 1 lollipop plus 2 lollipops equals 3 lollipops. Look at these teddy bears. Here's 2 teddies. 1, 2, and here's another 2 teddies. 1, 2. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. 2 teddies plus 2 teddies equals 4 teddies. Here are some yummy apples. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2 apples. And over here we have 1, 2, 3 more apples. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. We have some sweets next. Yummy! We have 1, 2, 3. And over here, we have 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. 3 sweets plus 3 sweets equals 6 sweets. Let's do one more. Look, we have some pencils. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here we have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's add them together. Count with me. 5 pencils plus 5 pencils equals 10 pencils. Wow! You did an amazing job today. We added apples, toy cars, and sweets. Can you find things at home to add together? See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.